Good morning and welcome back to another Little Spark vlog. Today is our travel home day, but we do have some time here in Florida before we have to catch our flight. We are currently walking over to the boardwalk and it is such a gorgeous day and this is such a beautiful resort. So come along for hanging out at the boardwalk. And they have their gingerbread display up already. Which, if you want to see all of the gingerbread displays at Disney World from last year, we'll link that video down below, but it's all the ingredients it took to make all of the things you'll see on the gingerbread house. So our true intentions of coming to the boardwalk is to dine at the Cake Bake Shop, which just recently opened. And in order to get here, if you're not staying on Disney property, we just parked at the boardwalk, stopped at the security little port, whatever you call it, and told them we had a reservation, show your license, and then you can park here. So we're making our way down the boardwalk. Our reservation's not for another couple hours, but just gonna putz around, maybe ride the Skyliner, head over to Beach Club to get there, and yeah. So when you are standing across from the Cake Bake Shop, so I'm standing right in front of it, you can see Beach and Yacht Club, Swan and Dolphin, just really pretty views from these resorts here. Another really great perk of staying at these resorts is being able to walk to Epcot. We are walking to International Gateway at Epcot to get on the Skyliner. And just like that, we're already at International Gateway, ready to hop on the Skyliner. So we stopped at the Riviera to get some footage of the mosaic, specifically the Rapunzel one. Because on this day, 14 years ago, maybe, I'll fact check that, Rapunzel debuted. Yes. So while we're here, we just took some photos, but while we're here, we're gonna head inside the Riviera, maybe check out Le Petit Cafe, see if they have any holiday themed items. Alright, so we stopped at Le Petit Cafe where they did have a candy cane latte, which I'm not about to drink a candy cane latte, and they also had some seasonal macarons, but they looked like just normal macarons decorated for the holidays. I did get an almond cold brew. It was very almondy, so if you see the almond cold brew, it is not a subtle flavor, but it was very delicious. We are on our way back now to Epcot to stop at the International Gateway, head back to the boardwalk in preparation for our Cake Bake Shop reservation. Here's a little look at the menu. They're absolutely ginormous. The table's a little tight. So we haven't ordered our food yet, but they do have the dessert menu here. So here's a look at some of the cakes.
Refills are included though.
We also have some pies, cheesecakes, ice cream, cookies and bars, chocolates, French pastries, and then some specialty beverages, teas, milk and hot chocolates, and coffees and espressos. Alright, so our food just came. I got the croque madame and I substituted the salad for the pommes frites. Comes with a garlic aioli and ketchup. You got the turkey Gruyere sandwich. We got a classic burger on fries over here. French onion soup and the ham and brie sandwich over here. Oh my gosh, this is ginormous. Let's get a cross section here.
That's right.
Our section. All right, and our dessert just arrived. I got the Millionaire's cake, chocolate cake with vanilla frosting and a caramel sauce in between the layers. We also got Gwendolyn's world famous chocolate cake and the super cute Pixie Betty birthday cake. Oh my gosh, these are like 3 cake slices stacked on top of each other. All right, to work off our ginormous lunch, we're going to rent a Surrey bike. So they have both double bench and single bench rentals. Here's some of the information.
Okay, perfect.
And for a single bench bike, $30 for the half hour. For a double bench, $35 for the half hour. All right, here we go. Alright, she warned us there were 2 big hills. We made it up the first, but not the second.
I saw it once I saw it, I'm like, no.
Come on, a dolphin over there.
Go this way?
Oh, no. That will do it from our weekend trip down in Orlando, Florida. The Cake Bake Shop was delicious but expensive, so it's not for everybody. Be on the lookout for Marcus's Christmas trip very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!